Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Buying Ethereum with Revolut. This tutorial will walk you through the process of purchasing Ethereum using the Revolut platform. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your account by following the instructions sent to your email. After verifying your account, you need to add a payment method. Revolut accepts various payment methods, including credit or debit cards, bank transfers, and other local payment options. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions to link it to your Revolut account. Next, navigate to the cryptocurrency section within the Revolut app. Here, you will find a list of available cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Select Ethereum and click on the Buy option. Enter the amount you want to spend on Ethereum, and Revolut will display the equivalent amount of Ethereum you will receive. Before completing the purchase, review the transaction details, including the amount, exchange rate, and fees. Revolut charges a small fee for cryptocurrency transactions, which will be deducted from your account balance. Once you are satisfied with the transaction details, confirm the purchase. The Ethereum will be added to your Revolut account instantly. You can then choose to hold the Ethereum in your Revolut account or transfer it to an external wallet. It is essential to note that buying Ethereum with Revolut is subject to market fluctuations, and the value of your investment may go up or down. Always do your research and consider your risk tolerance before investing in cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, buying Ethereum with Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can start investing in Ethereum and take advantage of the benefits offered by the Revolut platform. Remember to always prioritize security and only invest what you can afford to lose.